Daniel Cormier has bad news for Ilia Topuria. Welcome to World Insane Wrestling. Topuria is eager to challenge UFC lightweight champion Islam Makhachev after he vacated his featherweight title to chase a second belt. However, Makhachev's mentor Khabib Nurmagomedov insists Topuria needs to beat a top contender first. He doesn't see Makhachev having much to gain by defending his title against another former featherweight. Islam has the longest winning streak in the UFC and he has the best resume. Nurmagomedov said in a recent interview with Adam Zubarev. Topuria has been fighting in the UFC for a couple of years and has 6 to 7 fights. Islam has 16 or 17. If I'm not mistaken, he has a solid resume. So they want to put at stake all the legacy Islam has built in the UFC, but Islam won't put it all on the line for a man who has just won two big fights. Let him go through the same path and then no problem. Cormier, who spent years training with both Makhachev and Nurmagomedov at the American Kickboxing Academy, warns Topuria that this isn't a negotiating tactic. Khabib is about as straight as shooter as you are ever going to find. Cormier said on his YouTube channel, I'm telling you, when he's mad at me, he tells me. When he's mad at someone else, he tells you. He doesn't hide. So when you hear him say things publicly, take it as fact. This isn't him posturing. This isn't these guys trying to raise the price on a fight or anything. This is a true emotion, a true feeling, because that's just how these guys operate. Two of Makhachev's four title defense came against UFC featherweight champion Alexander Volkanovski. His most recent title defense came against short notice replacement Renato Moicano at UFC 311. After Arman Sarukian withdrew, Cormier says legacy matters for Makhachev, which is why there's hesitation to face Topuria, who's unproven at lightweight. Of his four fights, there are a lot of situations where he just didn't probably feel the love, Cormier said. And if you're trying to build a legacy, you've got to feel that love. For me, it's this. I think it's Justin Gaethje. I think that makes a ton of sense to me because Gaethje is that big name. And if Justin Gaethje fights Islam Makhachev for the championship, that's it if he loses. In conclusion, Cormier thinks Topuria ultimately won't get his wish just yet. The update should not feel good for people that support the idea that Ilia Topuria should fight Makhachev next. Cormier said, I'm just being honest with you because I'm telling you, I know these dudes and I know when they talk to you. You might as well listen because they are telling you the truth. Love it or hate it, they are telling you the truth. Khabib turned down $40 million to come back and fight. Dude ain't doing what he doesn't want to do. And that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Please join us. Please subscribe to my channel. Lot of you who are not subscribed to this channel are watching my videos. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.